today's video, we are going to try a new system that I found. It is called the Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you so much. In today's video, we're going to do a wash, we're going to do a deep condition, we're going to do a protein treatment, we're going to do a style. We're going to try a new system that I found. The Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil line. This line only has 4 products that I could find. I don't know if there's more. If there are, let me know in the comment box so I can try those out too. So they have a shampoo, they have a conditioner, they have a 60-second moisture treatment, and then they have a combing cream. So this line is only one product. It is one styling product, and that is the combing cream. I like to stack my stylers because I like to get a nice hold for a couple of days, especially if you're a busy person or you have kids, you don't have time to do your hair every single day. I am one of those people. Also, I don't feel like doing my hair every single day. This line says it quenches and hydrates for silky soft strands, buttery curls, and luxuriously touchable hair. Become a Brazilian goddess. Okay, I don't know if I'm a Brazilian goddess, but it's close enough. But that is what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to give you defined curls, frizz-free curls. So we're gonna give it a try. This is a sneak peek of how my hair came out. I like it. Let me know in the comment box below. Do you like it? Do you? So if you're interested in seeing how this line worked for me, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of the video.
I told her to come closer, she need to make me want it. Think how she ride up on it. Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas. On the next flight straight to Bahamas. I'm liking what I see, yeah. I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel, shawty, tell me how you feel. I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real. Roll running to the bank, really trying to get a meal. Smoke a pressure to the face when they ask me how I feel. I'm just trying to chase that check. When I'm with you, I don't really want no static. Baby girl, you the one, so you be a bad chick. I might pull it with a gang and we let them have it. I ain't playing with these lanes, I'm a damn savage. On the road to the fame, I ain't really capping. I don't really want no one else. Shawty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a drug.
Okay, so I just finished washing my hair in the shower. Well, not just finished. I washed my hair in the shower and then I put on some makeup. While I was in the shower, I did use the Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil. It is a 60-second oil, the 60-second moisture treatment mask. So like I forgot and it was like so quick. I'll tell you my thoughts on this. I'll tell you my thoughts on that later. So now all I'm gonna do is I'm going to part my hair. And I'm going to tie the rest up. My hair is like just next to dripping. I like to apply my products while my hair is sopping wet. I just think I get a better outcome. And we work in small sections. Okay. So I'm going to be using the Deeply Restoring Pracaxi Recovery Oil Combing Cream. And it looks like this. This system is, I guess it's supposed to be like an easy system. It's a one product. I am a style stacker, as most of you know. But today we're gonna try. So I'm going to finger coil my hair like I normally would. And I will show you guys what that looks like. So make sure to get it all in my curls. Like so. My hair is so long. Whoop. Right now it is 12:54. So 12:54 I started curl. Let's say 12:53, whatever. 12:54. I started curling, finger coiling.
Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel, shawty, tell me how you feel. I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real. Roll, running to the bank, really trying to get a meal. Smoking pressure to the face when they ask me how I feel. I'm just trying to chase that check. When I'm with you, I don't really want no static. Baby girl, you the one, so you be a bad chick. I might pull it with a gang and we let them have it. I ain't playing with these lanes, I'm a damn savage. On the road to the fame, I ain't really capping. I don't really want no one else. Shawty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a job, baby, can't you tell? Always be there in case you need some help. You're the only one, I don't need no one else. No, 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 no. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty, ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine.
Okay, so I'm done finger coiling my hair, and right now it is 1:22. So I started at 12:54. So about 32 minutes. So it took me about 30 minutes, which is actually really good. Usually it takes me a little bit longer. I don't see too much frizz. Got a little bit right there, I think, but otherwise I do like it. I am going to air dry a little bit. I want to see if it gives me any kind of cast. So when I do diffuse, normally I will wait until I feel a cast on my hair, and the cast is like kind of that when you start to feel it get a little bit hard. That's what we want, because that's going to give us our longest lasting curls. And then if not, then we have to do it again, and that is just not my thing. So that's why I'm skeptical about just the one product, because the one product usually never works for me, but we will see. We will see how this works out. So I'm going to air dry for about 10 minutes. Hopefully I get a cast, and we will diffuse. I will show you guys how I diffuse, how I start to diffuse. It's a process, but we are on our way, guys. So I'm going to go away for a couple minutes, and I will be back to diffuse and show you guys exactly how I do that. I'm using the Infinity Pro by Conair. I got this for Christmas from my brother because he's awesome. So this one has two speeds, so low and high, and then it also has 3 different heat settings, so cool, warm, and hot. It also has this cool shot button. So when I diffuse, I start at my roots. I want to get my roots dry, because if I can get my roots dry, then the rest of my hair will dry quickly, will dry more quickly. So when I diffuse, I start out and I use the hover method. So the hover method pretty much is you don't touch your head. Don't touch your head. And that's going to it's just going to give you the heat you need to dry your hair. I also am going to be using this cool shot button very frequently, simply because when we're using heat on our hair, we're opening up our cuticles. If we're opening up our cuticles, it's letting all that moisture that we just put in our deep conditioners and our moisture treatment, and all our other products, all that moisture is just gonna seep right out of those cuticles, and it's not gonna be able to hold, and your hair is no longer gonna be moisturized. And then you're gonna be wondering, why is my hair frizzy? Why isn't my hair moisturized? What the heck is going on? Well, it's because you used the hottest setting because you want to get done quickly. Let's not do that, okay? So we're gonna keep this on high speed. We're gonna keep it on the warm setting, and when we're done in a specific section, before we move on, we want to hit that cold shot button. So I'm going to show you how I do the hover method, and so you guys can see. So high, warm, cool shot. So our hover, we're just
gonna make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel.
So now we can touch our head, and that's going to help dry our roots even more. So I'm just going to place it on my head. I'm not going to move it or anything yet. I'm just going to place, warm, blah, 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 cold shot. Warm, blah, 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 cold shot. Warm, blah, 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 cold shot. Get it? Do that. So...
Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas. On the next flight straight to Bahamas. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine.
Okay, so now that my roots are dry, what we're gonna do is we're going to hover over our curls. So when you're diffusing, make sure you're moving your head from side to side or from front to back. Make sure your hair is moving, because the way that your hair dries is the way that your hair is going to turn out. If your hair dries frizzy, it's going to be frizzy. If your hair dries not frizzy, it won't be frizzy. So to cut down on the frizz, keep it on warm, and do not forget to use your cool shot button. It is going to help you retain your moisture. If you want frizzy curls, go ahead. Use the hottest heat, the highest setting possible. If you want to retain the moisture in your curls, use your cool shot button.
Oh, she get wet like the ocean, just like the ocean. She not no Tatiana. Together we be counting commas. On the next flight straight to Bahamas. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty ride with me. I make you realize that I'm all you need. Hold up, bring it back, rewind. Swear you really blow my mind. Thinking about you all the time. She a bad bitch, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Said I'll make her mine, I'ma make her mine. Tell me how you feel, shawty, tell me how you feel. I've been up for days, I'm just trying to keep it real. Roll running to the bank, really trying to get a meal. Smoke a pressure to the face when they ask me how I feel. I'm just trying to chase that check. When I'm with you, I don't really want no static. Baby girl, you the one, so you be a bad chick. I might pull it with a gang and we let them have it. I ain't playing with these lanes, I'm a damn savage. On the road to the fame, I ain't really capping. I don't really want no one else. Shorty, when I'm with you, got me feeling myself. Your love is like a drug, baby, can't you tell? Always be there in case you need some help. You're the only one, I don't need no one else. No, 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 no. I'm liking what I see. Yeah, I like it when she put it down on me. Forget the drama, shorty.
So I'm done diffusing now. I'm going to let the rest air dry. I am seeing a little bit more frizz than I like. And I don't know if that's because I am only using one product, but it's not too bad. I like how it turned out. It feels nice. It smells amazing. And that's pretty much my whole routine. I'm pretty much done. I'm gonna let the rest air dry. I'm about 70% dry, which is good enough. When it does dry, probably tomorrow maybe, I'll separate my curls to make it a little bit bigger and a little bit more volume. So my final thoughts on this. So the good things about this product is that it is only 4 products. It is the shampoo, the conditioner, 60-second moisture treatment, and then the cream. So it is nice to be able just to have one product and kind of get done quickly. I'm glad I could still finger coil with this. I do see good definition. I do like that part of it. I like the smell personally. I kind of like the overbearing smell. I like it. I like the smell. If you're a person who is sensitive to fragrance and heavily perfumed products, I would suggest staying away from this product. It is heavily scented. Almost to a point of overbearing. It's a simple system. It smells really good. I'm getting good moisture from it, and my curls are defined. Frizz is good. I think had I not diffused, I think the frizz would be better. But it is doing what it says. It's defining my curls. It's giving me frizz-free curls. I like it. It's nicely scented. It's nicely priced. You can really find that. I got mine from Target. Things I don't like about it. I don't like just one product in my hair. I feel like this is not going to hold for 7 days. I can already feel it. It has a cast, but it's not as heavy as I would like it. Like compared to Uncle Funky's daughter, Curl Magic Curl Stimulator. That's the kind of cast that I like to have. But I know that this is not going to last for 5 days even. I guarantee it. I'll sleep with my silk line hat just to give it the best chance possible. But I already know this is not going to hold for 7 days. But it is a one-step process, so that's nice. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. That's how I do my hair. That's how I get it defined. That's how I get it frizz-free. Not with these specific products, but the routine is still the same. No matter what I use, it's pretty much the same. My finger coil, all that good jazz. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, leave me a comment in the comment box below and let me know what you guys would like to see next. Do you want me to do another routine? Do you want me to try a different product? Do you like the one-step system? Is it something that you would like to do? Is it something that you think would work better for you? Did you guys learn something? That's the most important part of this. I want you guys to learn at least one thing from my videos. Let me know. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share it with your curly hair friends so they can be part of our curly hair community. And I will see you guys later.
I'ma make her mine.
I'm just noticing that I missed like a huge chunk in the back of my head. This piece here.